In this video, I'll show you how to build a Next.js app in Bolt.new. First, open your web browser and go to the Bolt.new website. Sign into your account and start a new project. Next, enter a prompt describing the Next.js application you want to build. Include the purpose of the app, the pages you need, the features you want, and the overall design style. You can also mention if you want authentication, a database, APIs, or other integrations. Now, submit your prompt and let Bolt.new generate your Next.js project. It will create the application structure, pages, components, and supporting files based on your instructions. After that, review the generated project and test the application using the built-in preview. If you want to make changes, continue chatting with Bolt.new and ask it to add new pages, improve the design, fix issues, or implement additional features. Next, continue refining your app by updating the user interface, connecting external services, configuring environment variables, and testing the application's functionality until everything works as expected. Finally, when you're satisfied with your project, save your changes and deploy your Next.js application using your preferred hosting platform. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a Next.js app in Bolt.new. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.